Hi, my name is Julianne Vaz, and today we're going to be talking about reef manta rays. Characteristics. So their scientific name is pretty hard to pronounce, but I'm going to try. It is Mobula alfredi. They are cartilaginous fish, which means they're made up of cartilage and not bones. They are shaped like a huge kite with a long tail, but their tails are not poisonous like stingrays. Their colors are black and white, as you can see in the photo, black and white on top, and at the bottom, white completely. Some divers have found a few manta rays that have pink bottoms. The size goes up to 3 to 3.5 meters, which is 11 feet. Taxonomy. These are pretty hard to pronounce, but I'll try my best. So kingdom is Animalia, phylum is Chordata, class is Chondrichthyes, order is Myliobatiformes, family is Mobulidia, and genus is Manta. Anatomy. So they're huge, but they also have a really flat body. Their head is wide with eyes on each side, and their mouth is also wide as well. In front of their mouth, they have these two structures called cephalic, I think that's how you pronounce it, and it helps with water flowing into their body and for food to come in easier in their mouth. They have a small dorsal fin at the top of their body, and under they have gill slits. Their skin is rough like a shark's skin, and it's covered with mucus to help prevent infections. Growth and development. So the average size is 3 to 3.5, which is 11 feet, but they can max up to the size of 5.5 meters, which is 18 feet. They live up to 25 years. I've seen some other websites saying that they go up to 40 years, but the most I found was 25. Not much is found about their growth and development though, so this is all I could find. Their habitat. So since they live near the reefs, they like warm and tropical waters. So they live in coastal areas in the Indo-Pacific, right here as you can see, but also some divers have found them in the East Atlantic Ocean. Reproduction. So during copulation, male rays bite the pectoral fin of the female before aligning themselves abdomen to abdomen. The male inserts one clasper into the female's cloaca. Baby manta rays are called pups, and females only give birth to 1 or 2 pups. They are pregnant for 12 to 13 months, and they only give live births. They don't lay eggs, even though they're not mammals. Their behavior. They always like to stay in groups, and they constantly have to keep moving for their blood circulation. They jump out of the water so they can get rid of parasites on their skins. And they do seasonal migrations that cover up to 100 kilometers in the ocean. Food chain. Even though they are huge, they only eat small plankton, and their predators are killer whales and sharks. Population. Currently, we don't know how many reef manta rays are there, but they say there's an estimate of less than 1,000 of them, which is a very low number. So how are they important to their environment? Well, they control the population of plankton, since that's all they eat. They also help the growth of corals by swimming to deeper waters, then bringing the nutrients to the corals when they swim back to shallow water. Human interaction. So many hunters hunted manta rays for food, for their skin, and for the oil in their liver. But many people also raised awareness to make it illegal in many countries to stop killing these manta rays. And they were successful, but people do still kill them illegally. And these are my citations. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something today about these gentle giants.